Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the ICP update. And crypto is booming, and the one who is responsible for making crypto boom is the one who you're listening to right now. Of course, I've been pumping crypto. I've been saying that I'm going to pump crypto. I brought the bulls. People thought I'm kidding. Here you are, okay? And we're still not done yet. There's a lot to come and a lot more fun to see. Like the videos along the way, man, okay? And ICP, oh my goodness, it's not a secret. Hashtag it's not a secret that ICP is my small baby. Reaccumulation, a move up, a pump to the upside. This is absolutely sweet. Now, there's a room left for ICP probably to make one retest to $15. And if it does make a retest, that's still okay to me, but I highly doubt if it's going to happen. That we see a retest to the downside. Maybe it did happen on the 4 hour time frame. Let's actually check. No, you didn't actually have any retest. But to me, it does seem like ICP is not in the mode to stop or come down, because you've made another continuation here and you have a technical target pretty much to move up to $22 and eventually $24 as well. But my main idea, my main target that I see for ICP is probably that it pushes all the way up to that $44, $48 department. And it doesn't really stop there, because if things get even more crazy, there's this one little bit of a pattern here. So if you kind of drag this support and resistance, you are sitting at a little bit of a support that you're about to break. But if you do end up breaking it, there could be chances where we see ICP moving all the way up to maybe $140 could be on the cards. I pretty much think that $80 is there on the card, but I wouldn't be surprised to see ICP getting back to 139 and stuff. I kind of think we're pretty good to even maybe make it to 312. And if things get amazing, who knows? Who knows? Maybe take this wake up to 2,700. Okay, this would be one of the most craziest bull run after maybe Solana back in the days. I do hope so. I mean, ICP is a beast, man. If you look at the project and everything, I've said this before. I think it's the number one coin that I liked in crypto after a very long time next to BNB. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. I love this.